Hi, if you are watching this video, it's because you currently do not have the Rytex program and are considering it for your business. This is Greg Geller, President Account Manager at the Boatman Group. I am beyond ecstatic about this program. It is truly, in my opinion, the must-have social stationery book on the marketplace today. We just started shipping this to our current Rytex retailers, and I really think once you get a look at this, you're going to want it. So at the end of this video, I will have a special promo code for you to use to get a little bit extra from what is on the email. So first of all, on this page, you will see it kind of goes through what's in there. Our ever popular hand bordered. There's double thick now. There's an entire embossed section, which we did not have before. The ever popular return address labels, and we now have foil stamping and letterpress as well. So let's pop through this. The first section is the hand bordered section, which is incredibly popular. There's some great new liners, which is a great way to accent your stationery. Here are all the inks that we have available. So here's the hand bordered section. So before we just had thermography, now we have embossed on that option and foil as well. So awesome stuff. The other thing I want to point out is one of the amazing things about Rytex, I'm going to zoom in here, is the pricing. So the way it works is you've got your first cost, but then everything additional for every 25 sets after that, it's only $20. That is an incredible, reasonable pricing for it. So these are all the hand-bordered colors. For those of you who do sign up, I will do a more educational video on it as well. This is just obviously to get you excited about it and invest in it. Here's the wide hand bordered. Does not come in all the same colors. This color is going to be a hot seller. This is the wide metallic charcoal. And then these are so cool. This is my personal stationery now. These two color hand bordered. So fun. Adds a nice element of touch. Rounded corners, the slender, the ensembles, great hand bordered sheets. And then we get to our classic stationery section. So, again, you will see as I'm flipping through this, obviously quickly because I don't want this video to be too long, that this is a must-have for social stationery folks. If you sell paper in your business and you have people who come to you for social stationery, this is a must-have book. And at the end of this, you will see here's the ever-popular check size stuff. Here's the embossed section. It is 20 pages of embossed stationery, which, again, if you have embossing in your business, then you're going to want this as well. Here's our notepads, which now come in 8 different colors. We've never had that before. You can get an acrylic unit with it. Here are sticky memo cubes. This is your design your own section, which is a great way to customize the product. Then the party accessories, we just added these colored frosted party cups, and then we have our stadium cups, which are very popular as well. And of course, napkins and cups for any event. And then the address labels that people love having them in their business, and stampers. So the code to use special is RX0319, and you'll get an extra 5% off on your Rytex program. Thanks for listening to this, and look forward to you becoming a Rytex retailer with us. Bye.